welcome to my channel. I just got this in the mail and I'm like, okay, let's open it. So if you guys know me, I first started doing beauty boxes when I started my YouTube channel. I started doing anything that I could get to get some stuff and get free stuff, and that's how basically all started. But I still get the Walmart beauty box. Now I wish Target had it, but they recently discontinued it. But anyways, the Walmart beauty box is now I think $7.95, or I can't remember the exact price. It used to be $5. They said it was free, but you just pay, you know, for shipping. But yeah, but anyways, I can't remember the price. It might be $7, might be $8. But what you do is you get a beauty box. You get a Walmart beauty box. I think there's a couple different questions. It's been a while. Miss Charlotte's in the background. But they send you a box 4 times a year. You get one every season. Sometimes they're a disappointment and sometimes they're a very good thing. I've actually used a couple of the stuff. I love it because it's perfect traveling items for me. So that's one thing that I absolutely love. I'm actually going out of town today. So let's just see if I could use any of this stuff tonight. I'm hoping maybe there's a pretty lipstick inside because, you know, why not? So it says right here, this is the fall beauty box. It says V9, so I don't know if I'm under the V9 category. I don't know how many categories there are. I don't know. They ask you a couple different questions, but Jennifer, just shut up and open the box. Okay, gosh. Okay, so the first thing we got is a box. Or a box. It's a piece of paper. This is everything that is inside, and I can see that we might be a little disappointed. So, Charlotte, please, honey. And here, oh. Whoa! This is kind of cool. Okay, so Heritage or whatever. I know there was an Ibotta rebate for this not that long ago. I didn't get it in time, but this is a cool little headband that we could use for the fall. I don't know if I have any scissors down here. I don't have any scissors next to me. But basically, it's just like a cool little headband. That's kind of cool, and it's like a sweater. So this... It says, don't see your product here. Your box may vary, including an extra surprise that you supply. So I don't know how much this costs, but let's just open the Walmart app while I am checking out the next thing. So I feel like we get this all the time. We get the Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So this is actually perfect for like your purse. Like I always like having this in my purse, like these little lotions in here, because they're like perfect. So let's just scan this. So this is $5.88 at my Walmart. $5.88. So right there, that paid for, I mean, I like it that they sent this, and they do send you a survey asking you what you think of the box. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But this is a perfect little thing for your purse. Now here we have some Hemps Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. Again, another travel size lotion. This is perfect for traveling. It is 2.2 fluid ounces, so I don't know if you could get away with traveling. But it's perfect for your purse if you have the room for it. But wonder if this, I don't smell anything right now, but yeah. And then here is a cute little lip plumper. This is Mineral Wear Lip Plumper by a Physicians Formula. This is ultra cute. This is super, super cute. The full size of this is $7.48. So this is about maybe half of this, but that is really cute. I really like that. And I used to use a lip plumper back in the day. Ooh, it smells like vanilla. That's delicious. So we got that going on right here. I feel like we've been getting one of these liquid IVs in my box for the last four boxes. This flavor is Yuzu Pineapple. My husband wanted to try these. He was super excited to try these. He was kind of disappointed in it. And I did find out from one of you guys that there's like a lot of sugar in here. So it's up to you if you want to go for it, but I feel like this is a repeater. We've been getting these like non-stop. Here we have a little sample piece called Peach Slices. It is a Snail Rescue Oil-Free Moisturizer. Charlotte, can you be quiet, please? Thank you. So a little sample of that. Hey, go play with Poppy over there. And then the next thing I got is a Add to your cart. Oh, so they give you a UPC code to scan to add it to your cart of the UV or the liquid IV. So yeah, so that was everything that I got. It looks like everybody got the liquid IV because it is on their main page. So here we got that. And then I got the Snail Rescue. The full size for this is $16.99. We got the Physicians Formula Lip Plumper. Here we have some moisturizing lotion, which is not shown on here. Now, I think what they have is some of this stuff might be stuff that they have had from the past, so they just put it in the boxes. So, yeah. And then here is the Hemps. So, there's that. And then we got the headband. So, the other items that they do have in here are a Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce mascara. I would have loved to try that. I think it was mascara. It doesn't say mascara, but I'm assuming it is according to the price. So they got mascara. They also have a NYX Professional Makeup Butter Lip Gloss, which it's not like this one, but that would have been kind of cool to try. Then we have some hair dye, Splat Naturals hair dye. That would have been cool. Thayer's Rose Petal Facial Toner. And then we have the Milani High Rated Anti-Gravity Mascara. That would have been fun to try also. So that was everything that I got in my box. So was it a little bit disappointed? Yes, but this made up for it. This headband totally made up for it. So I'm pretty happy with what I got. If you guys got like something cool like this, please let me know by putting it in the comments below. This was my fall box. You guys can subscribe too. If you do subscribe, I am not sure if you will still get the fall box, but you'll definitely get the winter one. And we'll probably get the winter one probably in November. So I'm pretty excited for that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Shopkin! Thumbs up. And we will see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.